Jace Tunnell here, Mission Aransas National Estuarine Research Reserve at the University of Texas Marine Science Institute. And we're lucky today, we get to find a spool. Now, some of y'all probably seen this before. People sell these for a lot of money. You can go to like an antique store or something like that, and you'll find this, it's like a table. And so people use it like in bars and stuff like that. You can actually buy them on Etsy for $350, $400. Depends on how nice they got them. And let me pick up the camera here and kind of show you what this thing actually is. And so I know some of y'all that spend a lot of time at the beach have probably seen these. This one is half buried. So normally what you would see is you'd see like a tabletop. Then you've got like a little area in the middle, and then you got another tabletop on the bottom. And so if you turned it up on its side, you could actually roll it, get on it like a wheel. And back in the 1980s, my dad had one of these he'd found at the beach, and it was in the backyard. And that's what we would do. We'd get on it and roll all over the yard. But people use it for like furniture, and you can actually clean these up real nice. Now, you're probably asking, what in the world was this like originally? Well, this is an electric wire spool. So the electricians or people that are laying all your power lines and stuff, they actually come along and they have all the wire spooled up on here just like it would be on your fishing line. You know how when you go and you want to replace the monofilament line that's on your fishing rod? It's a similar type deal, only it's small, right? And so this is a similar type deal where all the wires wrapped around here. They hook it up onto the truck with a pipe that goes through this hole right here. And then as they lay in the line, it just unravels. And then what's left is this. And so, maybe this washed down a river, maybe it fell off a boat, and who knows, but it ended up here on the beach, and now it's free. And so, if I had enough room in my pickup, I could probably dig all this up on the bottom part of it, roll it, and then, this thing's probably 300 pounds or something like that. So I'd need help to be able to put this in my truck. But with all that said, if you've got the means and you find one of these on the beach, you could actually have some new furniture, or you could clean it up and sell it on, Facebook Marketplace or wherever, Craigslist, and make somebody real happy. So we like to call that reuse. And so anytime we can find something on the beach that we can reuse, it's not sitting out, breaking down, and becoming waste. So somebody could get hurt or something like that. It's actually being used. So now you know what these are if you find them on the beach. And so good luck with your restoration project. Bye.